happy retirement.
Wherever you want to put it.
Shelley, can we go from here to there?
Is there any of them that are any closer yet?
No.
They have any?
Yeah, here she comes with some string.
How do you find the end of one of these?
They'll give us your knife.
How do you find the end of one of these things? Just start a new
Usually
end.
it's tucked down
About
inside it.
3/4 away.
I don't see it.
Somebody said that's a 3/4
Follow this
hand.
wrap right here. And follow the other way.
We'll need that to cut.
What?
How'd you know that?
Experience?
It's comfortable. It's so cool in here.
We're gonna, it'll be easier to tie it around. Tie that, and tie something to it. Tie the tape.
One of you too high or one of you too low.
Down to. There, that's not right. Right then, yeah. Take that.
Darren, how'd you go? You want to start some streamers? You and Jairus? First you can do that.
Whoa!
You've done that before, haven't you?
Here,
Just
put
take
it
and
over
twist them
on
and
the back.
string them from one spot to another. You got tape?
That'll hold it up nice.
Oh, how am I gonna dip this?
Huh?
How am I gonna dip this?
Use a cup?
Yeah.
You didn't tell me you want my ladle.
I didn't think about it. How many people we got?
Try 25. Start with 25 and we'll work from there. What else can't remember this? We need Scott here.
I know, we talked about that already. Yeah, Susie and I came down, looked at this morning, we thought, gee, it'd be nice to have Scott here. We could stand Jairus on top of Jimmy. Think that's what it is.
All Scott would have to do is hang on to the table and then we'd have fun. And put it.
Maybe we ought to move the table right here in front of this. If you're gonna do it before I fill any more cups.
Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, hello.
He can count to 4.
Yeah, I plugged it in.
To what?
Electricity.
What?
Where?
Ooh. Oh, it's battery power.
You know, Al.
What
Bill, do you
about
like place to that one?
Yeah, would it fit between? Should do that.
Where do you want these at, Susan?
Wherever. Not particular. Let's just leave the table here, it's already here.
Jared, do you want to take a dancing?
How are you sitting them on there?
We were talking about dancing out in the street though.
Tape. twist them. Put them over there. As high as you can. Without standing on a chair. He's not Scott. Without standing on a chair. No chair. Hey, you're back on top.
We changed our mind.
Yeah, that's fine.
No.
No?
We're going to this one. No, get in.
Well, we're gonna go this way. Oh, okay. We're sorry. Yeah. We're gonna go over to there as high as we can.
How's that?
Yeah, you probably have to put a couple tape.
Yeah, I usually put an X across.
Tape it on the side since you're gonna go across this way, maybe helps. Yeah.
Yeah, before you move.
Then he gets to come down here.
I put it right there.
Yeah, that would be.
You say,
We should write, we got some little nails, we should went, brought the hammer and little nails, we could have nailed it.
How are we gonna get this side up? We need to move it. Yeah, get it off. Yeah, you can sit on the front row with it.
Ashley, you have a cow on your face.
Did we surprise you? Yeah, you did. I thought you were planning something that I didn't think about. This being it. Well, do you remember when you first told me you were going to retire?
Yeah.
And you said if you're going to do anything, you should do it at the campout?
Yeah.
Well, you told me to do it now.
I didn't expect you to get so elaborate.
This is very elaborate. Well, Carol and I have a song to sing for you. Are you ready? Go ahead, can't get too close. You ready? Okay. Lola ain't as young as she used to be. Ain't as young as she used to be. Lola ain't as young as she used to be. Many long years ago. Many long years ago. Many long years ago. Lola ain't as young as she used to be. Many long years ago.
Go, yeah, go on the other side there. So that will squawk.
Lola wasn't a very common girl when she was a teenager. You know, there's a typical dress for a person going out and pulling in the garden, and Mom would instruct her, and she just doesn't listen too well, so she dresses in rolled up jeans and bobby socks and her old long sleeve shirt, and she just kind of, well, you know how teenagers are even right now. They're not very, I'm not sure what I'm looking for. They don't, yeah, they don't like to cooperate. Anyway, this was typical of Lola's dress back in her days when she was 15 years old.
Brian?
Lola, will you make fences in the dirt?
Yeah. Remember us coming begging you while you were hoeing? Lola, come play with us in the dirt. Come build us fences and roads and ranches. Yeah. And this is you a few years from now. 95. That's it. Got something for you to do. Come on up here. Sarah, come
good time.
Everyone, come on.
Come on, Lola, you're just a big kid.
Yeah, Lola, you have to do this.
What do I have to do?
Well, we'll show you when we show the kids.
Oh, I have to line up with them.
Everybody get in a circle. Big circle.
Candace?
Now here comes Emily.
Oh. Oh, that's right. Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, Leona.
Big circle.
Come on. Come on.
Both hands.
Promise Mother, sweetie.
Your right foot, you put your right foot in, you put your right foot out, you put your right foot in, and then you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Left foot, you put your left foot in, you put your left foot out, you put your left foot in, and then your left arm, you put your left arm in, you put your left arm out, you put your left arm in, and then you shake the pokey. Sing it. Hokey pokey. Get down on your knees. Hokey pokey. Slap the floor. Hokey pokey. That's what it's all about.
All right.
We got another one. I'm always glad when that
Surely up.
We are.
a lot of feeling.
You guys know this song? Let's do it. Happy trails to you, Lord. Just sing the song.